Action.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight we will show you how to make a ribbon and a circle using aqua beads. I'm Yana and this is my cousin Atiesa. Hello. Okay, let's start. What's going on? Okay, this is our bead. Use it. We will make the ribbon. We make this. You'll make the circle? Yeah. And he will make the ribbon. And she will make the ribbon. She is not he, it's she. Okay, sorry. Hello, mabuhay. Kasi nag-movie kami ako.
Ganun ba? Sorry. Ito na nga pala yung napagbentahan nyo.
Later.
Okay, nagbayad na yung mga customer nyo. Ito na, 125, 5 lumbans.
Okay, this is our plate. Let's see your one po. This is our water. I'm a pink one. And for you use your hand. I will use hands and you will use this one. I see here. You always forget. Yeah, we will use it with figures. So let's start. What do you? I think is we can make here. Not this. Not here. Oh, he will pick that one. No, she will pick that one. This no. This the ribbon. Yeah, I like the ribbon very much. You can also. start with here. It's a little hard to make an aqua. Yes, it's true. We pull the water out. Because when we make this one, it's so hard. What's that? Tagalog. Sorry, there's Tagalog. Show. Let's go and believe it. Okay. What? Oh my god. I think it's broken. 18. Then okay. Wait. You get hurry, but I'm not. I like I can read tomorrow English and Tagalog, and I am nervous. What do you say? We are reading tomorrow English and Tagalog. Okay. In the principal office with Mom Pat and Mom Shaq. Interviews. We will take 3 pink. Alright. Be careful if you spray the water on it because it's hard to. Who's first to spray water? Who? Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. No. Rock. Wait. Who? Wait. Sino nauna ko sa atin? Rock, paper, scissors. No, I don't like. You don't like? I do. When I'm the winner, I'm the first one to do spray. But I'm gonna rock, paper, scissors. No. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. She's the winner, so here's the first one. Yana. What color is this one? Pink and pink here. I don't know. Maybe okay, come on. So, in clear the sides. Big sweet. So, the baby is sleeping. Straight side. This one, perfect. Don't be funny. Sorry. I'm just blue. Orange. Hello, one. So many times. Oh, I'm sorry for that. I'm the money is here. Sherry, and I don't know what. It's not easy to name Aquabit because it's so hard. Right? I want vacuum. I want more Aquabit. With the brown. This Aquabit is the best. Let's listen to her. Sorry for that. I forgot that orange one. Look at this one. Look at this one. It's falling here. Look. Fall. There. You okay? Yeah. Tagalog.
No, I'm not sure.
I hear you.
You too, you're singing
Yes.
Tagalog.
Yes, I just. Alright.
We're
They speak Tagalog in school.
We're Filipino. We just speak in English.
Said teachers.
Yes, and said parents.
No.
Said grandmother.
And the first, I think. They just put it little bit. Put it. Just put on water in it. Just be careful. I forget to check it. Check it first. Wait, it's dance kids. I want dance kids.
No, we
Don't
need
cover it. Don't cover yung ano bit.
He put too much water.
No, I didn't.
I'm sorry, I have always
Because you always speak Tagalog.
because I'm not really English.
Good in English. Justin and CH are good in English. No, you're not. Justin is good in English. Our classmate is great to Justin.
My classmates do not like English. All of us.
We need more. It's a sweet.
Oh no, she put lots of water.
That's alright. And yes, again. Just gonna put it in back. But don't do it. Just want it. Just want it to put here. But don't do it in your home. What do you think color next?
Don't know.
Yeah. Oh. Gonna put it
Wait,
in the sun.
maybe, wait.
Can you show me your finished product?
This is the finished one.
I'm not
Just gonna remove this paper.
here. I'm not.
And it's the same. Let's go. Again. We're gonna pick it up.
Sorry for that.
Maybe some guy. I will give it's my classmate. This is I give this is
I give this to
I will give this to Casey.
No,
And
I will not give this to my classmate. I will just display it in our
I'm gonna get this one. This full alphabet. You can see it.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, sure. This is my name.
So we need to dry that because
This
it's
is
not
dry. I made this. Here is the pink. Oh, but you're finishing it.
Yeah.
Here is my name, Aliana. I made it. This and this. Okay. I will show you.
I'm
Oh
not
my
still
goodness.
finished because
Because
she's fast.
okay. We have the flag, the ribbon, again, this cake, many hearts, a many flower. Okay. I made this all flowers, little flowers. Here's the flowers.
here are
This is the flowers.
these are
These are the flowers, I said it. These two,
1, 2, 3.
and this the two. It's only two.
two
It's
what?
perfect. There are two flowers. Same place. I will just give it to Justin or not. I don't know.
There, I'm finished. So
I will
spray.
think. I will think or I will just give it to Justin or not.
Look at this one. I am finished. So I will spray.
And
it.
this finish it later. Broken. Ew. Wait a minute.
I put lots of water.
I just tell the number of Inguma.
Yeah.
Are you finished?
No. So I'm not pouring water.
And this is the big. And this is the broken umbrella. And put it in kitchen. And this is the heart I made it. Two.
We're gonna. No, I'm
The
gonna
heart.
pour more.
No. Two hearts. I made it here. Look in the other part. Oh, I'm sorry.
So
Just put the water there.
wait. I'm just gonna.
Where?
This one.
Where's the other heart?
Wait.
I'm gonna make it.
Wait.
Just put it there.
Where's the other heart?
We are gonna keep this. This other. I am joking. This the other hand. And I'll just keep it.
You see
Sunshine.
this tomorrow.
No.
It's not
Today is Sunday.
It's not
And
dry. It's
there's a dusty.
this
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
It's not
Let it
dry.
go. Let it go. Let it go. I won't get back anymore.
Oh, she's singing. She's singing.
Okay. I don't know what's this,
But
but
it's dry.
it's cute.
Look at this.
Finish. It's finished. Look. We're gonna put the beads into the into the bag.
The bottle.
Okay, we're gonna put it here.
Sorry,
Oh, June is here.
so this is the water.
This is the dragon fall. We will touch some
This is the
dragonfly and we will put it here. And we have a cage. Instead of the ocean, if we are old, we're just gonna keep it for a long time. Let's go touch it. Okay, that's all right. Me too. Me too. You're blowing.
Whatever.
Just speak in English. We're just years old. And your teacher, Irene, will see you. And our teacher will see it. And then we will post it in Facebook. Yeah, I think
Just like
please speak in English. Okay, we're gonna close it. This the other one. It is tag. Uy, pati nag-swimming kami. I know it. And speak in English. We're an English show. We're not in Tagalog show. Guess we're gonna post it in Facebook. I can help you. I can help.
no, you can. I'm gonna show you some.
This little band.
We're selling bands.
Yes, please. Kyo. Raining
I
Lumban.
made it.
Raining Lumban. Okay.
Some Mumbai dress. Look. Look
Bye,
at this.
please.
Look at this one. It's colorful. This
Okay.
one is my favorite.
If it is charms, no, only two charms.
We made
5 because all is only 7. Yeah. Just gotta put it. Please buy the raining lumbags. In here. Go now. Bye. Bye. In here and Facebook. Bye bye.
Bye. See you next time.